Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are gonna take a closer look at Jamaican society colorism. We will also look at why beautiful women like Jada Kingdom struggle to even when they make it. Jada Kingdom is a 24-year-old alternative Jamaican singer who started to gain recognition on Instagram in 2016 as a swimwear model. A year later, she started to gain popularity for music. She has been very straightforward about her past. She has made it known she was a victim of rape and also that she suffers from bipolar disorder. But it seems that with all Jada's accomplishments, the crowd of Jamaica's high society has not accepted that she has tried with her life to erase a horrible beginning, to rewrite a bad chapter. Since lately she has been criticized for her life because her ex-friend Asian Doll exposed her business on the internet, saying she got smashed for 35 bands by a rapper named Frito Bang. Instead of keeping silent about the claims, she openly admitted that indeed it was so. Before we go any further, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Can I speak
I sold my pussy for $10,000. I sold my pussy for how much? I sell your pussy for squat for nothing. The fuck?
Imagine being placed like an ant under a microscope for every detail of one's existence. Bear in mind, these females that are laughing and giggling on this show would swear that they are better women. Jada Kingdom is a product of the ghetto. She was not born with a gold spoon in her mouth. She wasn't handed a good life. She had to fight for the good life. Remember earlier it was mentioned that she has bipolar disorder, not to mention she was raped. Can you imagine the emotional impact of that on a beautiful young woman like Jada?
I am completely embarrassed and just downright
appalled.
Bear in mind, these women claim they are college educated and they hold a mirror up criticizing people's lives, when in reality some of these women playing judge and juror are living worse lives.
I mean, she has said that, Jada has said that she has bipolar, so I'm wondering if this is an episode. I'm not trying to, did say that she's bipolar. I've heard that she's admitted that she's a bipolar.
Bitch, you can't shame me.
Part of me, I think, said this is probably like an episode that she's going.
If you are not trying to shame her, then what were you trying to accomplish? Most of these book-smart women parade around like they're don't stink and act like they are above other women, but if secrets were really revealed, you would find out they are not who they portray. There is also a stigma that is placed on rape victims in Jamaica that forever follows victims for the rest of their lives, not to mention past that occurs. Complete emotional and psychological damage can happen to a victim, hence Jada's bipolar disorder. Imagine being raised in a culture that glorifies the mistreatment of women, skin bleaching, and not to mention look down upon you because of something she clearly had no control of at the time. That is a recipe for destruction, if you ask me. Furthermore, Jada has made a lot of physical changes to herself, which includes skin bleaching, her tattoos to fit in high society, to no avail. If Jada was Chinese or half-white, she wouldn't be highly criticized as seen here, which goes back to why some of the women in Jamaican society lighten their skin. Colorism is very real in Jamaica.
Is admitting to prostitution.
Yeah.
And if I come now and say you're a prostitute, if any one of us use the word prostitute, you're going to be insulted. But then in a way to defend yourself, say, I never sell it for 10, I sell it for 35.
That not make.
Bear in mind that if she was promiscuous without compensation, she would labeled stupid or yam head. Dark-skinned women in Jamaica get the most hate despite their accomplishments. For Jada to have gone through so much but yet come out on top is still a great achievement, but she will never get the respect from her own country because of colorism and discrimination. Please like, share, and subscribe until our next episode.